Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are fine and safe. Last week we started the poem. Yes, the memorizing 2 lines we finished, and then the classwork, synonyms, antonyms, and compound words. Yes, we completed the classwork exercises. Have you all finished writing in your classwork? Have you all finished reading all this? Yes, then and there you read whatever was done in the class. Okay? Yes. Today we are going to start the question answers. Okay, you have 3 questions for this poem, and then I have given the words to make sentences on your own. That will be your homework. Okay, so after completing the question answers in your classwork, I have given 3 words. Okay, for that you have to frame a sentence and you have to write. That also you have to do it in your classwork. Okay, yes. Shall we go to the question answers now? Fine. Yes, the first question. What does the poem tells us to do? So what this poem is explaining us, telling us to do? To run. Yes, from where to where? From the city to the countryside. Yes, shall we see the answer? Yes, the poem tells us to run away from the city into the sun and out into the country. That means this poem is telling us to come out of the city life and to enter into the village life. Okay, yes, the poem tells us to run away from the city into the sun and out into the country. Clear? Yes. Now second question. Write about the places where the poet wants us to run. Yes. What are all the places the poet asks us to run? Yes. Hillside, lane, meadow, and she asks us to run back again. Yes? Yes. So the answer for this question is the poet wants us to run down the hillside and up the lane, through the meadow and back again. So the poet wants us to run down the hillside, down sloping side of the hill, and then in the up the lane. Lane means in the narrow way, and through the meadow. Meadow is nothing but the green area, a huge green area filled with grasses. Next, and back again. She is asking us to go back to the houses. So once again, I read out the second answer. Listen to me. The poet wants us to run down the hillside and up the lane, through the meadow and back again. Yes, have you all understood? Shall we go to the third one now? Yes. What time of the day does the poet ask us to run? So at what time she is asking to run? Did she mention any time? No. She is asking us to run all through the day. Okay, so she is asking to run for the long time of the day. Okay, yes, the poet asks us to run all through the day. Okay, she didn't give any time and all in the poem. She's asking us to run all day long. Okay, yes, so the answer is the poet asks us to run all through the day. Okay, so once again I read all the 3 questions. You have to copy the 3 questions in your classwork after the compound words. Okay, and then we can move to the make sentences. Okay, yes, the first question is, what does the poem tells us to do? The poem tells us to run away from the city into the sun and out into the country. Second question. Write about the places where the poet wants us to run. The poet wants us to run down the hillside and up the lane, through the meadow and back again. Third question. What time of the day does the poet ask us to run? The poet asks us to run all through the day. Okay? Yes. Now question Roman number 5. Make sentences of your own. The first one is raindrops. Okay, so these 3 words is your homework, which you have to do it in your classwork after the question and answer. Okay, yes, first one is raindrops, second one is merry, third one is meadow. Okay, so for example, the first one, I'll give you one example. The raindrops fell on the car window. Like this, you can frame any sentence of your own. Mary, Raju is loud for his merry nature. Anything you can give on your own. Okay, then meadow. It is a beautiful meadow. The cattle are grazing in the meadow. You can write any sentence like this on your own. Okay, so this will be your homework for the day. Clear? Yes. So with this, we completed the classwork of the poem Run. Next, we have to do with our book back exercises. Okay? Yes. So complete your classwork neatly. No need to submit it out. Later, I will do the corrections. Okay, yes, the next we have to go to the book back exercises, which we can do it in our next class. Okay students, thank you students.